Okay, you guys, so I have this wig here that is 22 inches, and I brought longer hair to make it longer. Of course, when I start this video, they start working on stuff. This is probably going to be a voiceover, you guys. This is probably going to be a voiceover. But this is how long it is. And I brought some inches so that I can make it longer. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I still have to glue it down and all that stuff because I didn't do that yet. But let me show y'all the hair. So it comes like this. Okay. It's a really sturdy bag. I'm gonna keep this thing. Oops. So I have these two cute little ponytail holders, y'all. Super cute. And I have this beautiful long hair. It is 30 inches. Okay. It looks like it's true to size, y'all. Because sometimes vendors be giving you bundles and stuff that's not even the right length. But here it is right here. Ooh. They are doing construction. It has a little web over it. So, see, it had a little web over it. Oh my gosh, it's so silky, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Like, if you buy hair, you know the type of smell it's supposed to be given. And y'all, you can smell it and tell that it's not fake. This is 100% human hair, virgin hair. It has this little blue thing on it. We gonna take that off real quick. As you can see, they gave us a lot of web. Look. Y'all. I'm about to look beautiful. Because, see, I like my wigs to be thick. And this wig was kind of thin. So I put a little bit. My friend gave me some tracks to put in. To, you know, make it thicker. Oh, my gosh. I love it. And, y'all, it's these big behind tractor trailers and everything. I'm taking this out so I can let y'all see. This is what it's giving. This is what it's giving. And actually, this hair company was a company that asked me if I wanted to be a brand ambassador for the company. And I was kind of iffy for the simple fact, you know, I need to be able to see the product or whatnot. But bruh, this quality, I'm so sorry, y'all, that, you know, people's outside or whatnot. But y'all, this quality of hair is so worth it. Like, here we go right here, y'all. In my opinion, look at that. Where they stiff at nowhere, honey. It's rocking side to side. It's beautiful. Yo, I'm crazy. But this hair is beautiful. I'm pretty sure it can it can be bleached. And let me give y'all a little tip, a little secret. So if you want to know if it's really Brazilian or virgin hair, the smell always tell. You can always tell. But let me show you. If you look within the hair, you can kind of, I don't know if y'all can see that on camera, but you can kind of see like the gray hairs in there. Here's one right here, actually. And technically, that's how I prove that it's really virgin hair, is because a human's hair is not going to be all like the same colors. It's going to be a few, a few colors that's off. Everything's not going to be one set tone if it's virgin. I'm going to sew this into my wig, and then I'm going to wash it, and then I'm going to show y'all how to create a beautiful wig. This wig right here is like 3 months old, I believe. Maybe 2 or 3 months old. This wig is right here. I'm gonna bleach the knots over. I'm going to sew this bad boy into my wig, and then I'm going to sew my wig onto my hair, because that's what I like to do. I really don't like to use that much glue, but I use glue for, the edges or whatnot. But I don't like to glue my tracks on. I like to sew my tracks into the wig. That means it's super secure, and I don't have to worry about nothing. Like nothing falling out or whatnot. So yeah, y'all, I'll be right back with my wig glued because it's not glued, and it's gonna be stitched in. It's gonna be stitched in the back, and it's gonna be glued in the front or whatnot. And then I will let you guys see. This is a 22-inch wig, and how I turn it into a 30-inch wig. Okay, y'all?
Better worry about no slow bunny. Boy, you love my melanin. You tell me all the dreams and I ain't selling them. Boy, you love my melanin. You tell me all the dreams and I ain't selling them. Yeah, he likes how I walk through, and he know he can when he wants to. He likes how I walk through, and he know he can hit when he wants to.
Yeah, yeah, I like that. Yeah, I said I like that. Yeah, 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 yeah. I like the way she rollin' around, feeling like by the way she hold me down. Yeah, yeah. y'all know how she run it town. If she don't get her way, then she gon' burn it down. Yeah, yeah. And you ain't gotta ask, can you hold money? Them other girls, they ain't getting no money. And I never play you like no dummy. And you ain't gotta worry about a snow bunny. This girl I like your melanin. And you ain't buying drinks, I ain't selling her. Yeah, yeah. Say girl I like your melanin. And you ain't buying drinks, I ain't selling her. Yeah, yeah. She like how I come through. Let me whisper in your ear what I'm going through. She like how I come through. Let me whisper in your ear what I'm going through. Shorty wanna fuck me inside of the cool. They said the word and I make it do what it do. And she like that I love the way that she move. Yeah,
she got me going, she got me tripping, I'm drawing. But I wanted her for so long, yeah, yeah. Now don't get me wrong, I'm running shit, but she thinks she the boss. She got me like whoa, 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 whoa. I love it when she moving slow motion and she know, when I'm in it, I be swimming like the ocean. She say she a savage, she wanna make the stallion. When we fuck, it's like a trampoline, she keep bouncing. Let me get a sip, damn it dripping like a fountain, yeah. Damn it dripping like a fountain. I'm going crazy, got you on my mind. We in the coupe, I hit it from behind. I'm going crazy, got you on my mind. We in the coupe, I hit it from behind.
Shorty got me like ooh. Shorty wanna fuck me inside of the cool. They say the word and I make it do what it do. And she like that I love the way that she move.